I remember like translating it, waiting to get like, I thought it was gonna be like something like compliment.
Yeah.
And then I seen something fat Tom Cruise, and I was like, hey.
No, say goodbye.
You have a good first day, okay? Okay, have fun. Mama kiss.
Oh, that's definitely great.
Come on, give Mama a kiss.
Before I say small.
I love you so much, Anna. Okay, I go straight to your classroom. Every day waiting for you. It's first day back home, guys. Oh my God, napaka-busy. So, kaninang umaga, I dropped the Paris sa school. Dumiretso na ako ng grocery, guys, kasi late na kami nakauwi kagabi. So, hindi kami nakapag-grocery shopping. So, I had to do like grocery shopping para may makain si Baby Celine. Kasi this morning, she was like, I want milk, I want milk. At wala akong milk na maibigay. So, yeah. I've got that done and dusted. And alam niyo ba, sobrang busy ni mami niyo today. Kasi while we were away, obviously our business is still going. Especially yung eBay. So obviously yung ating other Facebook marketplace and that, you can't sell anything because kailangan lang pick upin and also you're not available. Pero yung eBay kasi guys, it's very good kasi you can leave a note sa page mo na you will be away. The seller will be away in this, dates. And expect delay hanggang sa makabalik. So, while we were away, I sold a few stuff, which I'm very happy about. So, ito yung gagawin natin ngayon. Magpapack tayo. So, hindi ko pa pinick up si Louie. Si Louie, pipick upin natin mamayang hapon na siguro para magstay muna siya doon, guys. Magawa muna natin to kasi it is very important. Yung iba kasi kahit na alam nila na I'm away, nag-message pa rin na, have you posted it? Yeah, have you posted this? Yeah. So, alam niyo yun, ayoko ng drama pagdating sa business. So, I've got these different buyers, guys. Ito yung isa, ito yung ating Gucci agenda cover. And then, we've got this MCM na money holder. Ayan, different buyer. And then, there's one buyer who bought 3 bags. So first bag that she bought is this Gucci kili bag. Ayan siya. So clean a little bit before posting. And this Celine, ayan, shoulder bag. And then there's another bag. It's Gucci Jackie. Yan, linisan natin yung mga hardware and all before natin i-pack. So, yeah, kaya hindi ko pa ma-pick up si Louie, guys. Gusto ko munang gawin ito lahat. And our linis na Lilin! Are you okay? Busy ang kanyang linya. And I also sold this one on eBay, but this one is pick up. So the lady will pick this up tomorrow. We already had a conversation na bukas kami mag-meet up. So yan. And then this one I'm trying to do now. This is a Gucci necktie. And may nagtatanong kung ano yung measurement niya. So yeah. Balik na naman tayo, guys. Hanap buhay para may pang-holiday ulit tayo. 10. Cool. Kaya sobrang maganda talaga itong mag-online selling, guys. Kasi, ayan, kahit nakabakasyon ka, ay may natatanggap ka pa rin, may kita pa rin ba? Alright, for this. But yeah, we enjoyed the 10 days holidays in Melbourne, guys, and then now it's back to reality, back to work. Daddy Mike is back sa trabaho na kanina umaga.
Hello guys. Hello guys.
Where are we going?
To pick up Ati. He's my sweetest girl. He's my sweetest girl.
Aww, that's very nice. Did you hear that, guys? She's my sweetest girl. Her Ate. Do you love Ate?
Yes.
Come on.
I love her too much.
Too much.
Hi guys.
You're the sweetest girl, sabi me. Let's see. Naka-costume yan siya kaya. Ayan. Medyo nahihirapan tayo bumaba ang hagdanan.
Don't you that. Mom, what's it raining?
Yeah, I know.
It's raining tonight. Mama, just rain again.
I know, it's raining again. It's raining yesterday, it's raining today.
Mom, we know the bed and I was
Very
not well.
chatty.
Because I was too cold.
It's very chatty since yesterday.
Mama, this is too sunny. Yes, Papa. It's in chocolate. No, no, no.
It's very important to put the seatbelt on, yeah?
Yes, but it's dangerous
Dangerous.
to put it off. We might be safe.
What happened if you don't have your seatbelt on?
Because you had to fall down. But you'll be dead.
You'll be dead. Yeah, you'll fall down, yeah? Very
And
dangerous.
you'll be dead.
That's why it's very important to put the
Seatbelt.
correct. Good job.
Hey guys, we're gonna pick up Louie now. So excited.
It's 3:48 ng hapon, guys, and it's the time to pick up our Louie boy.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Do you think Louie is excited to see us?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, I'm gonna do high banks.
Yeah, we have to cut your French, yours and Lainey tonight, okay? It's getting long.
No, I look like I don't have bangs. I like it when I have my bangs.
Oh, that guy.
Louie's been here so long, I forgot.
Yeah.
What does it look like? I'll just go grab it for
No
you.
worries, thank you. You go see. See him straight away.
Louie, it's your turn to go home, mate.
Oh my god. Can you imagine if he doesn't want to go home? Did I come on?
Yeah. You're a bit too excited. Why don't you say hello?
Hello, baby! You couldn't wait to get in the car. Come on, wait. Seatbelt, ate. So, sit down. Put your seatbelt on. It's okay, my love. Wow, we miss you, boy. Hang on.
Guys, so we picked up Louie. Look.
Hello, boy. Welcome home, boy. Oh,
He looks
have a look.
Yeah.
Nakabalok at his hair. I think like the blow dry or something.
Oh yeah,
Have a
true.
look at his hair on the face.
He's so cute.
Oh, we miss you, Baba. All right, let's go home. Louie, where's my Louie? Come on, my Bobby. Aww.
Louie.
Shoes off, Anna?
My shirt not in chips.
Yeah. Did you share with Daddy? Oh, good. Thank you. That makes Mama happy. Because sharing is
Carrot.
caring.
Yeah, this is the one I wanted to watch.
Okay. I'll show you listen to like
Now watch that one. Oh, here. Down. You scroll down. That one.
Everything's like
Mama, I need fruits.
Very good drawing, Nini. Tupi. Tupi. Kung tupi.
Yeah, I'm like,
Dami namin naiwan na hindi pa natupi, guys. Gusto mo? Umalis
if I say
kami.
this is nice, it's just the electoral system, which actually means, which takes up a certain percentage of votes. So even if one
love
of them
Louis?
wins more,
Yes.
Ling Ling?
like single votes
I want
in
this
general
one.
public, right? The
Can
percentage
I
will
put on
affect
that
different
one?
the college vote.
Which one?
And I'm like,
That.
and
Huh?
so you can't just.
Yeah.
It's not just about. You know,
Good, my
how many
Louis,
people,
Louis
it's about
boy.
cheeky boy.
Alam niyo ba, guys? I think that it really
Mom,
helped.
he's just a cheeky boy.
He is. It really helped him
And he's a baby.
na nilagay namin siya sa hotel.
Baby.
Just head there.
Dog hotel. 14 days. Like very, ano siya ngayon, kanina, pagka-pick up namin sa kanya, he's very excited and that. But now like he's very relaxed.
Mom, put it on now. Mama, put it
Ah,
on.
nakita niya, papakain siya ni Daddy Mike.
Mom, put it on.
I will, baby girl. I will, baby girl. Are you happy that Louis is back? Are you happy that Louis is back? Bulungita sa mga mga. Baya, napakakalma na ni Louis ngayon. Louis!
This one. Quick.
Look!
Touchy.
Palagi siyang dito lang siya sa couch. Kasi,
Oh.
naano siya, parang na-train siya for 10 days na nagkaroon siya ng mga friends kasi obviously, dog hotel yun. Maraming mga kaibigan ng mga dogs doon. Compared sa dito siya sa bahay,
This one.
never siyang nakaano ng mga another dogs.
I want a mermaid.
Oh, I'm a mermaid. So I think like is very parang magandang training talaga yun. Baba. Tingnan niyo. Palangga siya, mama. Did you make friends?
Yes.
Louis, hey, did you
did,
make
Mama.
friends?
He did, Mom.
Did he? Did you make friends, my love?
Yes, he
Huh?
did.
Who's your best friend? Here. Who's your best friend?
Everyone is.
Who's your best friend?
It's like now people are just turning a blind eye.
Can I go school tomorrow?
Are you sure? Do you wanna go?
Can I go school tomorrow?
You wanna go to school?
Yeah.
I'm sure you miss your friends.
Yes.
No. You go to school on Fridays, remember? Bulungit ka na. What have you been eating lang?
Mama, I want this one. I want this one.
Tik, 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 tik.
What that look like?
Like a cockatoo.
A what?
Cockatoo.
Is that how many you have? Kakate? Huh? Kakate? Is that a Australian word?
Yes, cockatoo.
Kakate? How much would you like? Yeah, kakate. A what? Kakate.
Nelly,
How's about it?
how's your first day back to work?
That's good. No drama. They gave me like an hour's training and like, oh, we'll leave you to it now. I'm like, alright. Yeah, no drama. Finish at 5, start at 8:30.
But tomorrow, is it the same? Oh, you're going to the office tomorrow. Nagluto sa Daddy Mike ng dinner, guys. So, I went to the grocery store this morning and I got steak. So, we're gonna have steak for tonight. So Daddy Mike cooked last night and cooked tonight because, since the whole time we were in Melbourne, we were not cooking at all, yeah? Always eat out.
Job is like trying to encourage me to cook. No, aren't you?
Yes, you cook tomorrow too.
Yes. I know exactly what you're doing. Daddy's cooking now because he enjoys it. Mama's like,
Bob, I cooked the corn.
hmm?
I cooked the corn.
You did. And I guarantee you it's the best corn in the world.
Sure, Bob.
Isn't it? Filipino corn.
Filipino cooked by corn, cooked by Filipino.
Corn star. Did you find that funny or what? Cockatoo?
I think, ano na naman yung dito ko guys. Oh, Diyos ko Lord, ayoko nang magkasakit. Ayoko nang magkasakit, pero paubo-ubo ako. I think it's from, nung paalis kami ng Melbourne, yung mama ni Daddy Mike ay may cough. Nawala talaga yung boses niya guys nung paalis na kami. So, I'm hoping na hindi mangyari sa akin kasi I just got sick the other day, remember? The other week, remember? I'm saying, I hope not.
Leave me and go sleep. Like never? Away from you?
Away from me. Ito pa akong malamig guys. Tingnan niyo. Gayong madarma.
Haha, lagi. Wal build nothing change. What does that mean?
Read it again, Daddy. Daddy Mike's like reading my messages while I'm away.
Let me see it.
So I've been talking to my bestie guys kasi yung upload natin tonight is yung nagkita kami in Brisbane. And he has been like reading the comments and who was this? G. Alcera. sabi niya guys, tumaba yung bestie mo sis. Ganun pa rin siya, masiyahin. So, nagbabasa pala ng comments yung aking bestie. Grabe yung tawa niya, guys. So, nakikimchi niya sa tawa. Sabi ko, at least, sabi niya, this time, masiyahin ka pa rin. That is just reading it.
Ha ha ha, lagi. Wow, guild Tana change.
That you sounded like Siri or something like that. Siri, like boy version.
Well, what is it?
Wait, stop it.
What does it mean?
He's saying we haven't changed. We never change.
Filipinos?
Like me and him, the way we are, we're just happy, you know?
What about when the comment when you said in the video like, oh look at Daddy now, looks like Tom Cruise, and then the comment said, one of the comments said, yeah, the fat Tom Cruise. I used Google Translate and I got so upset.
Yeah, because Daddy's also reading the comments, and then
No, I don't know. I just this one occasion.
One time, I can't remember now who wrote that comment, but said like, yeah, Daddy Mike looks like Tom Cruise, and then like, is someone replied to that comment?
I don't remember something about, and I remember like, I remember like translating it, waiting to get like, I thought it was gonna be like something like compliment.
Yeah.
And then I seen something fat Tom Cruise, and I was like,
the fat version of. Fat version of Tom Cruise. Basa-basa pa diha. Sabi ni Daddy Mike guys, talagang Google Translate niya kasi akala niya ano ba? Ano tawag dito?
If you ever need to get your
a compliment. Nasaktan yung puso niya guys. Sabi ano?
If I ever need to get my ego checked, I just go onto YouTube and read the comments.
Yeah. I know.
Because I know all you guys will tell me how much I'm not good.
Oh, I'm not really, but some of them, you know. Some of them. Yeah. Supporters they probably say like, oh yeah, fat version of Tom Cruise, but they mean like you're handsome, like Tom Cruise just.
I'll fucking knock you out. How about that?
Yeah, but it's like nothing, you know, like they didn't, for sure they made anything. No, but
It's a haircut. just going to film my.
Really, look at mommy. Can you put that away for now, please? Because I need to focus on this one, okay? I don't want you to get moving, okay? Madura, gina imong bangs. You want Dora bangs?
Huh?
You want Dora bangs? Like a very short one? Okay.
No.
Ayoko kasing very short din, guys, kasi hindi bagay. Kaya mabilis siyang tumubo kasi very short lang naman yung kinakat ko.
Achoo! Bless you.
Lumog, okay?
Achoo! 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 And bless you.
Lumog.
But they're making it too short.
No matter where you are, Bunnings Trade is here. Call me up, listen to some products. When is the deal ready? I know just go and pick up from a nearest store. It's simple, easy, and just back to work straight away. Trade assist, you call it up there.
Look at me. It looks like there's black paint on my head. It's a little too long.
Yeah. You know it's long because it's wet, but when it's dry, it looks shorter, Baba. It will dry later and it will be shorter.
I'll show you the top.
Lily, your turn, Leg. Come here. Well, see, have a look at yours. Look at mommy. Very long. Come.